Yeah. Recent. I saw when he got it on his channel. Like he was,
But he still has H2 also?
of course, him and Envy King. They're never letting go to H2. Shout out to Envy King Kenneth. It would have been cool if you were still in Jersey, brother. All right.
Yeah. I was gonna say yeah.
Yes, sir. So that, yeah. Evan, you know what? All the YouTube channels that are putting this up, it's gonna be some good stuff, man. It's really good stuff.
Let's see some runs too, though.
Well, tomorrow. I'm thinking I'm up for. Now, when Rob's bike was at Extreme Machines, they were fussing with it too because you know when it's like a powerful bike that they gotta make sure everything's strapped down, it doesn't vibrate and come loose or that. So this is gonna be interesting.